Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on Microsoft. So start up by launching any browser you have and then go to microsoft.com. After here on the top right corner of your screen, click on the sign in button. I've already signed in so I don't need to do it, but you have to put in your email and your password. If you don't have an account, you need to create one, okay? So sign in and then click on the picture here, click over here. And as you can see right here, there is an option that says add photo. Click on it and here it will take you to your files to choose whatever picture you want. So here, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna choose this one, for example. After choosing your picture, you can go here if you wanna zoom in and out, and it's so detailed as you can see. You can move it around and everything. And once you're done, click on save. And just like that, you changed your picture. Congrats. As you can see, if I go here and refresh the website, and now when you launch any of the Microsoft apps or the Office apps, it's going to be changed there as well. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it did help you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this in the future. And yeah, take care.